In the annals of scientific discovery, a chapter emerged that would forever change the landscape of drug production and vaccine manufacturing. It was a journey that began with the pioneers of genetic engineering, who sought to unlock the potential of transgenic organisms to produce valuable therapeutic proteins. Their quest was fueled by the realization that traditional methods, riddled with complexities and high costs, needed a transformative leap forward. Decades of research and exploration had laid the groundwork for this audacious endeavor. In the 1980s, scientists had first embarked on the path of transgenesis, the art of genetically modifying living organisms. Early experiments involved mice and fruit flies, but the true breakthroughs came when researchers turned their attention to feathered creatures, chickens. Nestled within laboratories and research institutions across the globe, scientists toiled day and night, driven by the promise of a new era in drug production. They knew that if they could harness the innate capabilities of chickens to lay eggs, it would provide a unique avenue for generating therapeutic proteins at a scale never before imagined. Years turned into decades, and the world of genetic engineering flourished with remarkable advancements. Then, in recent times, a triumphant milestone was reached. Researchers succeeded in introducing specific genes, meticulously crafted in the laboratory, into the germ cells of chickens. The goal was to create a new lineage of transgenic chickens, whose eggs would become a wellspring of valuable medicines. It was a delicate dance of science and nature. The foreign genes seamlessly integrated into the genetic fabric of the chickens, becoming an integral part of their biological makeup. The progeny of these genetically modified birds inherited the ability to produce therapeutic proteins from generation to generation, like an unbroken chain of biological alchemy. Within the pristine sanctuaries of specially designed coops, the transgenic chickens went about their lives, unaware of the profound impact they were about to make. As they matured, their eggs became incubators of hope, housing a treasure trove of potential vaccines and life-saving drugs. Each day, with unwavering regularity, the transgenic chickens laid their eggs. And within those shells, a miraculous process unfolded. The introduced genes were activated, triggering the chicken's natural protein production pathways. The result was nothing short of extraordinary. The eggs contained the very substances humanity had sought to produce for so long: therapeutic proteins, the building blocks of life-saving vaccines. Harvested by skilled hands, the eggs were carefully collected, their value immeasurable. These delicate shells held the promise of prevention and protection against the deadliest of diseases. From laboratories to manufacturing facilities, the eggs journeyed, where skilled scientists and technicians worked tirelessly to extract and purify the precious proteins within. With each batch of transgenic chicken eggs, the world moved closer to a new era in vaccine production. The streamlined process offered a beacon of hope, a solution to the challenges that had plagued traditional methods. The scalability was unprecedented, the cost significantly reduced, and the purification process simplified. The transgenic chickens had become silent heroes, their contribution imprinted in every vial of vaccine manufactured using their eggs. Infectious diseases that once threatened countless lives now faced an unparalleled defense. From the smallest clinics in remote corners of the world to bustling vaccination centers in metropolises, the impact of these transgenic chickens rippled across nations, protecting the vulnerable and offering a chance at a healthier future. In the tapestry of scientific history, the development of transgenic chickens marked a transformative chapter. It was a tale of tireless dedication, of scientific curiosity pushing the boundaries of possibility. From humble beginnings in laboratories scattered worldwide, these remarkable creatures had unlocked the door to a realm where nature and human ingenuity intertwined, forever changing the landscape of drug production and vaccination.